our NSF floor mop sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 25 inches, a depth of 21 inches, and a height of 10 inches tall. Coming to the interior of the sink, the measurements will include 20 inches in length, 16 inches in depth, by 5 3/4 inches tall. Please note that the film surrounding the sink can be peeled off. That's protecting the stainless steel. Also included will be the drain basket, along with screws and a mold. Coming to the left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.